What's up, YouTube? This is Brian Pfeiffer, aka the Marketing Meathead, and today we're going to talk about setting up a pixel in Eventbright so you can track your ticket sales and retarget your customers.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
All right, welcome back. So here is the Facebook business or ad account manager, whatever you want to call it, and we're going to start out here with all tools. Okay, so we're going to go to the three bars here: events manager, all tools. Going to go over to pixels, and you're going to want to set up a initially set up a pixel, but I'm going to show you guys today how to just you see I have a pixel set up here for Bachelor Vegas, and what I want to do is go into that actual pixel here, click on it, and then there's a setup button up here. Okay, so we just click setup, and we're going to manually install the code ourselves. All right, so here's the code. Okay, you're just going to go ahead and copy that just like that, and then what you want to do is go into Notepad, and you want to go into just like a regular like text editor type of thing, and you're going to want to copy that. All right, so we're just going to copy this here. All right, and then all you're going to need out of this is this number here. Okay, this in between the quotations. You don't want to grab the quotations. You have to be really careful here. Okay, so make sure you just grab that number. I'm going to copy that, and then go over to Eventbright here, and you have like an event dashboard. Okay, and this is going to show your event. You're going to go under Analyze here, and then Tracking Pixels, and basically you just go down here to the Facebook pixel, add a new pixel. I've already added it here, so I'll just edit it, and you just copy that right there into the Facebook pixel, and then you just click Save. Now, if you wanted to do a little bit more in detail tracking, like for example, you wanted to track the people that registered for an event, the order confirmation was sent, ticket widget form, checkout widget. You can do different things inside Eventbright, but for our purpose today, we're just going to do basically this is like a view, people that viewed the ticket page, and then it keeps track of the people that purchased that, and I'll show you how to set that up. So we're just going to remove that and then save it. Okay, so that's ready to go. The pixel's in there. You can see we're running Google AdWords as well for this particular event. And then real easy here, you just go into custom conversions, okay, and you're going to have to set up page view. Okay, so you're just going to go create, or actually not create, sorry, hit the wrong button, sorry. And you just go in, it's real easy, just go in the bars here, and it says custom conversions. Okay, and let's see, there it is, create custom conversion. I just hit create it instead. Yeah, and then you go in, and you're gonna basically you want to keep track of like the people that are going to your viewing your site, viewing your content. Okay, so the people that are actually going to the Eventbright page, and so you're just going to do all URL traffic, and then we're going to do we're going to put in the in this particular case I used my Halloween site. Okay, so the haunted Halloween ball, so we take that here, copy that, and you can put in the entire domain with the HTTP. Okay, so it looks just like that, and when the URL contains that, and then we're going to do a this is going to be a view. I mean, we can put view Halloween site. Okay, and then we're just going to do a page view. This is, we're going to want people to know when they're going to view the content. Okay, and then we're not going to put anything for value here, and then we just click create, and that's going to be set up. Now I already did that, so that's right here. This page view, you can see that in the last 7 days we've had 598. It probably hasn't been set up for 5 days, or 7 days. I've only set it up for a few days, but you can see I've had a number of days of data on there, so it's active. So it's tracking the pixels tracking on the Halloween site, and so we know we're getting the people that are seeing the thing. Now, what happens if somebody goes and buys the ticket? Well, you don't want to send them another ad, okay? If they bought a ticket, they've already bought. So maybe you want to send them an ad that talks to them about maybe an upsell of some sort. In our case, we're not really doing any upsell. Once they buy the ticket, they get the pre-party, the after party. But what I did is I set it up for retargeting. So basically, you got to go into your audiences here. So go into all tools and then audiences, and I'm going to show you guys what I'm talking about here. So, all right. So here we had people that purchased the haunted hotel ball. Okay. So in this case, what you'd want to do is let's see. I did this last night. Let's see. Create a custom audience. Okay. And then you go to here, and this is going to be website traffic, and this is the pixel that we're using, the Bachelor Vegas pixel. 30 days is fine for this particular event. We're going to name the audience. We'll call this one purchase. Okay. And let's see, Eddie. And we're going to change this to purchase. Okay. Purchase in the last 30 days, and we'll do purchase haunted Halloween ball, HHB. Okay. And then you would just create audience. Boom. You click that. Now I already did that, so I'm not going to do it, but that's how you do it. And then you can see here, it's called purchase HH. And obviously you can see I was creating this. Move this over a little bit so you guys can see it. It was created yesterday, so I just created that. Okay. So, and I think we've had. If you go back here and look at the audiences, it actually shows. So now we've had 3,400 page views on the HH site, okay, and the purchase H site we've had. Let's take a look here. I think it shows like 98. This was just since yesterday. Okay, so let's take a look. I got to go back into pixels here, and you'll see it's tracking the purchases and the page views. Okay, so let's go in and take a look at this here, and we'll click on check pixel, and you can see here that the purchase is fewer than 1,000. Okay, and the page views is 3,400 now. So but they're both ready because they have some data. There we go, under events. Okay, so you just got to click on events. So you go into data sources, and then you click on events here. Okay, so when you're at this page here, Bachelor Vegas, and then events. All right, and that's going to show you how many purchases. Okay, so we've had purchases of 99 here. Okay, 99 purchases, page views. All right, so now when you go to set up your retargeting campaign, I've already set this up, but I'll show you guys how to do it. And what you want to do is you want to retarget the people that viewed the site, okay, and went to the website but didn't buy. So the people that purchased, you want to take those people out. So here's my retargeting campaign. So we're just going to click on this, and we're going to go into edit, and I'll show you guys what this looks like here. All right. For the targeting, basically you just want to go in and see here, I made a nice little thing with a good image that kind of attracts people in, and basically I just let people know that we've added we have the pre-party and the after-party. So I'm trying to like entice them a little bit more. They've already seen the website, they've already poked around on it. Now I'm trying to, maybe they didn't know about the pre and the after-party they get with their ticket. So I'm trying to entice them a little more. And notice here I connected this right to the ticketing page, I connected it right to Eventbright, not to the website. So I'm not bringing them back to the website, I'm bringing them back to Eventbright. Okay, so I got them connected to Eventbrite, and I noticed I put the B96 and Yelp, which are kind of our headlining things in here. Okay, so that's that. Let's go back in and I'll show you guys the targeting here and edit. So we'd go in and we just put a $10 budget on this, by the way, and notice here the the conversion is purchase, okay, and then we're gonna do a that's the for the website for the conversion event, okay, and then we went in ahead and we want to include the page views, okay, and then we want to exclude the purchase, okay, the people that purchased HH, okay. So basically now the people that viewed the site that didn't buy are going to get targeted with these ads throughout the day, okay, and you know, it's a pretty effective campaign to get people intrigued. I made a nice image so it really catches their attention. That's not going to look like anything else in their feed, and then basically I just, you know, give them a little incentive, like, oh, by the way, you get a pre and after party if you buy the ticket, because they've already been on the site and they poked around. You know, let's try to close them here, okay. So that's retargeting, and that's how you set up a purchase event for the you know, for the pixel. And it's, you know, you got to go in there and play around with it. It's a little tricky the first time you do it. Eventbrite's real easy. I mean, you literally just go in and just put in the you know, the pixel number in here, and it's set up and ready to go. And as you can see, it was tracking. You know, you go into pixels here, and you can always tell within like a day if it's working or not. If you got something messed up, I mean, you go in here to you know, the pixel, and just click on it up here where it says you know, check pixel and cookie settings. Click on Bachelor Vegas, and then you click on events, and boom, you know, it's obviously tracking purchases and whatnot. So okay, and you can see obviously that yesterday, since I set it up, that's when, you know, the page views are high, you know, that kind of stuff. So that's how, you know, not surprising with you know, Halloween coming up in less than 2 weeks. We're getting a lot of traffic on this particular pixel. Okay, so hopefully you guys learned something today. This is a video on the Facebook pixel and the retargeting, and hopefully you guys are able to get some value out of this video. And if you have any questions, go ahead and leave me a comment below. I'll be happy to answer them. If you are new to the channel, go ahead and leave me a comment below, and I'd like to welcome you to the channel as well. And go ahead and hit that subscribe button and bang that notifications bell, and moon up the likes for me. I am the Marketing Meathead. We'll talk to you guys later. Thank you.